Conocemos la monja, la Madre Marta, porque intentamos ayudar a una escuela. Nos comentó que tienen algunas madres que necesitan la atención, entonces fuimos a visitar.
Pues para mí ha sido una fortuna conocerlos a ustedes.
Being a doctor, we were there invited to see the nuns who could not make it to us because of their underlying conditions, their older age.
Los doctores ver cómo diagnostica, cómo se encuentra, intenta ayudar, poner medicamentos.
Very experienced in seeing patients with such condition. The idea is to stay focused, try to find out what are the roots of the problems. A lot of times we do want to weigh the benefits and the downsides and then try to make a decision to see if a patient needs medication.
Al ver a las madres ahí sentimos muy tierno porque, bueno, también triste porque ellos son mayores.
In medical terms, sometimes we call it loving, tender care. It's something that all the health providers should do. We take care of the quote-unquote business. Make the diagnosis, offer them the treatment, and then after that, we do want to try to get personal. It's just being a human being. It's a very basic human-to-human conversation.
Al final de todo, ellos regalan un regalito como un colgante de corazón y arriba ponen amor en chino y también en español.
Dejar ir las preocupaciones, solo así apreciarás la alegría de un corazón compasivo.